Hey, I'm so glad that you could come and help me out today. I really would like to buy a home. I would like to purchase a home within 12 months, and I really don't know where to start. My credit is okay, but it needs a little bit of work. But my home ownership goal is 12 months. Like, where do I start?
So glad you asked. My name is Tavia Watson, and I'm a credit counselor, housing manager at Origin SC. So one of the things that we do at Origin as far as our home ownership goals and program is we walk with you from beginning to end. So you will be educated, we will act as an advocate, and also teach you on every aspect of the home buyer process. I recommend that you start off with these workshops.
Okay.
And the reason why I say that is because you're going to be able to get information about intro to homeownership, credit counseling, making ends meet. You can also enroll in our one-on-one credit counselor, and that is where we dive into looking at your credit. We look at your debt to income ratio. We also look at your budget, and we prepare you before pre-approval.
Okay.
So that entails somebody walking with you. You can ask questions about your credit. You follow an action plan that we provide. It is so precise, it's easy, and I'm sure you will be so happy with the process because once again, you have somebody there holding your hand the entire way.
My job had shut down during the beginning of the pandemic, so I lost some months of unemployment. But I have a job now, and I'm trying to get back on track with my credit stuff. Will that hinder me buying a house?
We typically look at the 5 C's of credit. We look at your character to determine if you're able to pay the loan back. We look at how well you started making your payments or credit improvement. We look at the conditions in the economy to see exactly what's going on. Like right now we're in a pandemic, and that tells us, what we need to do in order to move you along. We look at your collateral. Do you have any collateral assets? So all these things we take in consideration when preparing you for home ownership. Now, I did hear that you have a time frame also.
Yes. 12
You
months.
gave yourself enough time to, one, do the workshops, enroll in the program. You gave yourself enough time to start saving, to pay off any debt if you need to continue saving for down payment or closing or just for those unexpected expenses. Because I do believe you will get in your house in a year. That's your goal.
Awesome.
That's our goal. It's going to happen.
Well, that makes me feel so much better to have someone to kind of guide me on what I need to do next. I was just worried, like, oh, I just got this job, the pandemic, I would still want to buy a house, but I don't know how. So I thank you so much for being able to help guide me through this process because it just makes it easier.
Absolutely. I want you to feel relaxed. Purchasing a home is such an experience. It's a lifetime experience. And when you get that education, you take it with you. You help somebody else along the way. We look at the fact that the perks of renting versus owning.
Yes.
So it is a detail. It is detail. It is where, we are here for you. So I want you to just start off, like I said, with those workshops, get involved, stick to it. Even if you come off the plan, even if you deviate from the plan, get back on the plan and let's continue doing what we have to do because it's your goal.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.